About negative indices, you will have equation, and the form of the power equation or exponential equation is not easy. For question 14 in the slide, you can see the first question A. 2 to power of x equal to 1 over 4, and step by step I will convert the left hand side become to the power number with the base is 2. Base number is 2. 1 over 4 is mean 1 over 2 square. Next step, I will move from the denominator become to the numerator, and then you got 2 to power of minus 2. After this writing, you can see these two exponents. You got the same base number is 2, and then you can set up the equation between the power number. X will be equal to minus 2. The same idea with the next one. 1 over 32 is mean 2 to power of 5. And then 2 to power of x equal to 2 to power of minus 5. And then x equal to minus 5. The next one, question C, 27, quite easy for recognize this one equal to 3 to power of 3. And then 3 to power of 6 will become to 3 to power of minus 3. And then x equal to minus 3. Yeah, question C, we finished. About question D, I think that you can recognize this one is the reciprocal. The left hand side I keep it unchanged, but for this one I will write down 4 over 3 to power of 1, and I want to take reciprocal of this fraction. I will convert from the number the power number outside. From 4 over 3 become to 3 over 4, this means minus 1. And then you can see these two exponents, you got the same base number, and then h will be equal to minus 1. Yes. Question E. How about this one? You will have 2 over 3 and h like this one. Okay, step by step I will convert 9 over 4 here. The first one I will write down is 3 square and 2 square, and then I will take the bracket for 3 over 2 and square outside. I want to take the reciprocal for this one. It will be equal to 2 over 3, and the number of power number outside will be take opposite number minus 2. So 2 over 3 and h here, this is will be h equal to minus 2. Yes. That is question E. Let me clear this slide first. Question F. You got 2 over 5, and then you got x. 125 over 8. 125, yes. 125 is 5q, and 8 is 2q. Then 5 over 2, and you got q outside. It means 2 over 5 take reciprocal of the fraction inside this bracket. I convert the outside from 3 to negative 3. After that, I get two exponents have the same base number, and then take the equation between the power number. Question G, a little bit easy. You can see this one. I will convert the left hand side become to 2 to power of minus x, and about 8 here. 8 is mean 2 to power of 3. Set up the equation between the power number. I will take h equal to negative 2. The same idea with question 8. 3 to power of negative h. This one is 3 to power of 4. And then negative h equal to 4. And then you got h equal to minus 4. That is question 8. Question I. I'm got here is 2 to power of negative h, and for 1 in left hand side, this means 2 to power of 0, and then negative h equal to 0, this means h equal to 0. Question J. Find h negative 2, and here is 1 over 5 square, it means 5 to power of negative 2. So h minus 2 equal to negative 2, this means h equal to 0. For question K, 3h minus 3 and then 1 over 3 square, 3 to power of negative 2, and then h negative 3 and negative 2, and here is you got 3 minus 2 equal to 1, h equal to 1 here. Question L, 10h minus 5 equal to 1 over 10 square. This means 10 minus 2 here. So h minus 5 equal to minus 2, and then h equal to 5 minus 2, h equal to 3. H equal to 3 here. Go on for the last 4 questions, and I think this is the hardest question in this video. Question M. What is 64 here? You have to understand about the cube number and square number. 64 maybe is square number, also be cube number. You got 64 is 4 to power of 3. 4 to power of 3, and 27 is 3 cube. This is 4 over 3 and cube here, and then I need to base number 3 over 4, 2h plus 1. So this is 3 over 4, and the power outside have to be minus 3, and then 2h plus 1 equal to negative 3, and then 2h plus 1 equal to negative 3 minus 1, and then you got h equal to minus 4 divided by 2, minus 2. That is question M. The next one is question N. 2 over 5, 3h minus 5, and then 5 square over 2 square here, and 5 over 2 square this one, and then 2 over 5, you got minus 2 like this, and the power number have to be equal, minus 2 here. 3h equal to 3 is mean h equal to 1 for question N. Move to question O. Question O. The left hand side I keep it unchanged, and the right hand side is 3 and 2, right? 3 to power of 4 and 2 to power of 4. 3 over 2 and 4 outside. 2 over 3 changing base number minus 4. That's why 3h plus 2 equal to minus 4. 3h equal to minus 6. h equal to minus 2. h equal to minus 2. And question P. About question P, 7 over 4, 1 minus 8, and 7 over 4 will have the minus 1 for the power number. And then 1 minus 8 equal to minus 1, so 2 equal to x. For question P, x equal to 2. That is my final answer for this question.